In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on Prime Video and turn on captions to enhance your viewing experience. After you've chosen your movie or TV show, you'll need to start or resume playback. To do this, simply click on the play button or the continue watching option if you've already started the movie previously. At this point, the movie or show should begin running on your screen, and you're well on your way to an enriched viewing session. Now let's get those subtitles in action. On your screen, look for the option labelled Subtitles and Audio. Typically, you'll find this option either at the bottom or the top right corner of your screen, depending on the interface version you are using. Clicking on Subtitles and Audio will bring up a menu displaying various subtitles and audio options. You'll see a list of available subtitles that you can add to your movie or show. Prime Video often provides subtitles in several languages, allowing watchers all around the globe to enjoy content comfortably. Carefully look over the options and select the language that suits your needs best. Once you choose your preferred subtitle option, it'll be activated, and you'll notice the text appearing on the screen in sync with the video's dialogue. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to enable subtitles and enjoy your favorite content with better clarity. Remember that properly setting up subtitles can enhance your understanding and enjoyment, especially if you're learning a new language or just want to catch every clever line of dialogue. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to assist you. Happy watching.